Guys, pag sinabi natin Infinix, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Well, alam ko sasabihin nyo, smartphone. Budget-friendly smartphone. Good specs and budget-friendly. Well, actually, tama naman kayo. Wala namang mali. But did you know that ang Infinix, meron din silang sariling laptop lines. And this one, ang hawak natin is the all-new na Infinix na INbook X2 Plus series. And in this video, pag-usapan natin everything about this laptop from its performance to its design and to its battery life. Tara, simulan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond na Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So andito sa ating table is the Infinix X2 Plus na laptop and ang variant na meron natin dito is the Intel Core i3 variant. There's another one which is the Intel Core i5. And this is the packaging na meron niya and I love the way that it was packed. Very slim ang kanyang box. Natin is very sleek. Nandito sa likod niya is ang kanyang tech specs. Meron natin isa 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage which comes together with a Windows 11 Home na OS. And ang processor na meron natin dito is ang Intel Core i3 na 1115 G4. Nauna na ako mag-unbox pero papakita ko sa inyo the other things that's inside the box. It is being packed together with styro para hindi matamaan when it's traveling. It comes together with a warranty card but pwede nyo i-scan ang QR code dyan sa inyong laptop para sa car care na registration. And of course, we have your instruction manual here. And of course, this one comes together with a 65 watts na charging brick na compatible dito sa laptop. And you can also charge your other devices like mga Infinix na smartphone. Pwedeng-pwede dito. And of course, your C2C cable. One of my most frequently opened documents during this pandemic is PDF. I need to do everything on PDF, like sign it, print it, or probably sometimes I need to edit it or make it to my own customization. Now, one of my headache is when you buy it from Adobe, it costs a lot. I've found one solution here and it's called UPDF. This one is way cheaper at around $30+ for a whole year of subscription. And these are the things that it can do. One of the basic things that you can do here on this app is view, read, and print PDF. And it can even let your PDF turn into a slideshow. For editing, you can edit your text, image, links, watermarks, edit your background, edit your header and footer. It can even let you annotate, like highlight, underline, strike through, squirrely, and well, do some callouts or sticky notes. Now, this one is cool. It can convert any photos into PDF. It can recognize the text it has scanned. It can also encrypt your PDF, setting some password. You can add signature to your PDF. You can share your PDF quickly via link or via email. Now, this one is another highlight. It can organize PDF by reordering pages, delete pages, insert pages, or split pages. You can also reduce size of PDF. One of my favorites is to combine a lot of PDF into one. For 1 year of subscription, you get 10 gig of UPDF cloud storage. Want to know more? Check it on the description box below. Now guys, just to brief you through simply dito sa laptop na ito, this one is the Core i3 na variant na meron din 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage, 15.6 ang kanyang screen size, and this one is an IPS na LCD panel. And ang kanyang maximum brightness is at around 300 nits. And it has 100% na sRGB. And ang kanyang viewing angle is at around 178 degrees. So meaning, kung nasa side ka, tumitingin ka, for sure makikita mo pa rin lahat na naka-display dito. Now, ang kanyang battery dito is a 50 Watt-hour na lithium polymer na battery which can let you use it for around mga 5 hours when you're working at office or working at home on your mga normal na activities. No? Siyempre, of course, hindi na kasama ang gaming. Now, looking at its keyboard, this one is a full-size backlit chiclet na keyboard. And ang kanyang travel is around 1.2 mm. So, okay ang kanyang travel, no? But don't expect na maging clicky siya like yung mga mechanical keyboard natin. But ang typing experience ko dito is good and it's very quiet for office use. And one thing that I like dito sa kanyang touchpad is very big siya. And meron siyang, glass finish dito, so making it feels a little bit more premium compared to the other laptops at this price point. So, tinry ko naman lahat ng gesture, mapa-zoom man, or shrink, or scroll. Very responsive siya. And ang bezel na itong laptop na ito is quite thin, and I like the way that it was displayed dito. And another good thing na despite very thin ang kanyang bezel, kaya pa niya maglagay ng web camera dito sa kanya na FHD ang quality. So, the things na ma-appreciate mo talaga dito sa laptop na ito is very thin siya. And meron pa siyang ukit dito, no, to serve as your opening. And kita natin dito sa side, medyo mas makapal sa likod. All the way sa harap, mas numinipis siya. So on my left side, there's the HDMI port, USB-A port, and USB-C port. Dito tayo nag-charge, and this is the LED light. Sa likod, it's pretty clear. And on my other side, another USB-A port, ang kanyang audio jack, another Type-C port, and andito ang kanyang micro SD na card slot. May miss yung Ethernet port, I would suggest you buy one of this one, ang 9-in-1 from Ugreen. So meron pa siyang VGA port dito and LAN port, and of course added na HDMI port. Sa likod meron siya Type-C port, more USB-A ports, standard na SD card, and micro SD card reader. Ang kabitan niya is a USB-C, so definitely faster ang transfer niya. Kung gusto nyo bumili nito, link on the description box below. Now, looking at the bottom, all I have here is 4 na rubber bootings and 2 hole dito for audio. So we have here is DTS na audio processing na 1.5 watts by 2 na loudspeaker. There are times na mafe-feel mo medyo mahina siya. So I might suggest na you should buy yourself some good quality headphones and plug it sa iyong audio jack to be able to enjoy it more immersively if you're planning for sound tripping or entertainment purpose. Yan ang highly recommended ko. And another thing dito sa kanya is wala siyang vent, no? So if you're using medyo heavy processing, I would suggest na, well, bili kayo ng something na pang-angat para hindi siya masyado mainit dito sa ilalim. Kasi kung sagad-sagaran siya sa table, baka uminit siya ng gusto. But as far as I'm using dito sa aking studio, hindi ko pa naman siya na-experience na masyado mainit dito sa ilalim. I would recommend na bumili kayo ng something like this one. Laptop stand siya na nabili ko from Gadget.ph. This one is called the invisible folding na laptop stand. So, 2 level lang pwede niyang itayo, either 55mm or 45mm. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is lagay mo lang sa table, iangat na niya ang iyong laptop. Normally, mga ibang laptop, meron siyang mga pang-angat dito na paa. But this one, well, apparently wala naman siya. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. Okay? So, pang-angat, then, iangat ko na siya, like this one. Ganun kadali lang. So, very portable siya. Pwede mo pa siyang gamitin as mousepad. So, link on the description box below. So, material ng laptop na ito is aluminum metal finish. That's probably the reason bakit ang gaan niya at 1.6 na kilogram. Probably one of the lightest na nahawakan ko for a 15.6-inch na laptop. And another thing na okay sa kanya is two-tone na kanyang finish. And sa ibabaw, it's more of a brush metal finish. Sa ilalim niya is more of a matte finish. So, giving it more texture and more grip dito sa inyong cover, making it looks a little bit more premium, a little bit more standout compared sa ibang brands. And another impressive thing dito sa kanya is that Infinix was able to pack in and use an aluminum metal finish. Despite its price point, normally mga kalaban niya at this price point will be using a plastic na chassis. But this one, metal siya. So, ang kanyang durability, for sure, a lot better. And another thing na sobra ko na-appreciate sa kanya is sobrang lambot netong swivel niya, no? There are other laptops sa pag niya, ang tigas, medyo masikip, but this one sobrang smooth ang opening niya. So sobrang lambot niya even you're using one hand. Okay na okay. Now, itong laptop na ito is for me perfect for entertainment, for work, and just bring it simply anywhere. Pwede mong gamitin to for outdoors, for indoors, nasa airplane ka, nasa train station ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin. It's very portable. All you need to do is just simply buy a laptop bag or carrying case and you're good to go. Okay na okay siya. Very portable talaga siya. Now for me, ang typing experience dito is very smooth and very precise naman siya and very responsive ang kanyang keyboard. So if you're looking for entertainment, all you need to do is just type it on your browser. Ako, favorite browser ko is Chrome. And everything's there. Checking your emails, browsing for the score dito sa NBA playoffs, or checking your favorite social media like Facebook. So browsing for the latest content from your favorite influencer or content creator is very smooth, even though that it's only just a 60 Hz of refresh rate. This one is performing just the way it is. So watching all of your favorite shows here in the Infinix INbook X2 Plus is for sure a treat dahil ang ganda ng kanyang display, very punchy. But there are times na meron siyang minor na flicker. But don't you worry dahil budget laptops like this one do have some minor flickers. So dami ko pinanood na videos dito, be it mga K-pops, mga Korean drama, basketball games, anime, lahat pinanood ko, tinry ko dito. And I can say na enjoyable siya. Even buong family ko pinanood dito, we did try it. And probably the only thing na medyo hindi ko masyado gusto dito kanya is medyo mahina ka ng loudspeaker. But ang view experience is good. What I did dito is to connect a Bluetooth speaker na malakas para mas maging more immersive experience for the full family. Now guys, there's one downside na pansin ko dito sa kanyang screen. This one only having a 300 nits na maximum brightness. So therefore, if you're working outdoors, like medyo sa labas kayo, medyo maaraw, for sure medyo mahirapan ko yung makita dito sa screen na ito. So I would highly suggest that you go to a more shaded place to work para mas hindi kayo mahirapan tumingin dito sa screen dahil medyo mababa nga talaga ang kanyang maximum brightness. So if you're watching mga dark scenes like Duty After School, I can say okay naman sa kanya, even na madilim talaga ang movie na ito. Okay ang kanya pagka-render dito sa laptop na ito. Was able to finish quite several episodes dito together with my kids. And nag-enjoy naman kami. And ang okay naman, punchy naman kanyang color when naglalabasan ng mga kalaban. And it's really good for the whole family for entertainment purpose. So if you're watching NBA action, itong NBA playoffs, mag-enjoy ka dito sa laptop na ito dahil malaki ang kanyang screen. 15.6 inch is more than enough for watching your favorite basketball game. Lalo na kung medyo intense yung game, no? For the last 2 minutes, ang sarap manood dito. So if you're watching your favorite anime like Dragon Ball dito sa laptop na ito, si Infinix na INbook X2 Plus, I can assure you na enjoyable siya dito dahil okay, ang laki kasi ng screen niya and for sure na for the whole family, ma-enjoy mo talaga ang graphics nito. Now, reading my favorite manga dito sa laptop na ito is also enjoyable dahil, like I told you, this one is a total entertainment package. So, itong kanyang touchpad is made out of AG glass and this one is premium grades. And this one supports multi-touch and gesture controls. And guys, this one has a 32.8% extra size compared to a normal touchpad. No wonder sobra siyang generous. So based on my daily normal usage, this one, pag nagbe-browse ako ng web the whole day, this one can last me at around mga average 8 hours. And if you're watching videos all the way, maybe siguro tatagal sa mga 6 hours or so. Now, doing all of your regular works like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the other stuff, it lasts me for around mga 6 to 7 hours on average. Now, itong laptop na ito, guys, sobrang bilis siya mag-charge. Imagine, kaya na magbigay siya ng 70% na battery in just charging it for just 1 hour. Now, itong INbook X2 Plus comes in 3 colors. Either go for the red, the blue, or the gray na meron natin. So guys, right now magre-record lang tayo ng isang quick video using ang kanang FHD na camera dito sa Infinix INbook X2 Plus. So guys, this is the Infinix INbook X2 Plus and I can say na ang ganda ng kanyang web camera. It's very basic but yet I can say the resolution not so bad and ang kanyang angle is quite wide for me dahil this one can probably fit maybe 2 or 3 people dito. Sabay kami may pag-chat dito, like video conferencing. It's pretty good. And what's nice dito sa kanya, dahil wide ang kanyang angle, hindi masyadong focus sa aking mukha. Which sometimes medyo nakakailang no? Pagkausap mo some other people sa Viber chat, sa Zoom meeting, na sobrang focus ang iyong mukha. No? This one, I can say, it's just ample enough. And the audio is recorded using the default microphone dito sa Infinix na INbook X2 Plus. Na sabi daw niya, meron daw siyang wind cancellation. So since nakapag-record na tayo isang recording dito, try natin i-playback sa kanyang loudspeaker at 100% of volume. Tingnan natin kung kamusta kanyang sound. So guys, this is the Infinix INbook X2 Plus and I can say na ang ganda ng kanyang web camera. It's very basic but yet I can say the resolution not so bad and ang kanyang angle is quite wide for me. Dahil this one can probably fit maybe 2 or 3 people dito. Sabay kami may pag-chat dito. Basically, I can say okay naman kanyang sound. But if you're having mga several people dito listening at the same time, I think na medyo mabibiting ka ng konti dito sa kanyang sound. So right now, playback lang tayo ng isang song dito. Pakinggan lang din natin ang kanyang sound.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Okay, so this is my conclusion pagdating sa sound. If you're solo, sarili ka lang gumagamit dito, listening to the sound, okay. But if you're a little bit back behind, just nakikidungaw ka lang, o nakikiusyoso ka lang, or marites ka lang, nakikinood ka, and listening to the sound. Medyo mas mahina kasi kung medyo lumalayo ka, habang lumalayo ka dito sa distance na yung laptop, I can say na medyo humihina ang kanyang sound. So, yun ang aking observation dito sa sound na built-in dito sa Infinix INbook X2 Plus. So guys, if you're out there in the market looking for a laptop that can perform for work, for entertainment, I would suggest okay itong Infinix na INbook X2 Plus. Lalo na yung Core i3, for me, it's more than enough for your everyday workload. But if you want to add some gaming experience dito sa laptop na ito, and if you can edit some videos on Premiere Pro or sa DaVinci Resolve, I would highly suggest you get the higher variant na may Intel Core i5 that it has better graphics and better processor to give you that smoother experience, lalo na kung medyo heavy ang kailangan ninyo like gaming and video editing. Now guys, itong InBook na X2 Plus na Core i3 with the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB storage is priced at $27,999. But pagdating sa flash sale price, this one is marked down to $25,999. For sure, that price is slash of the 2,000 pesos. Ang ganda ng kanyang price point. Very affordable in my opinion. If you're craving for more power, there's also the Core i5 na variant with the 8 gigs of RAM and the 512 gigs of storage is priced at around $31,999. And pagdating sa flash sale, it's $29,999. It's a 4,000 pesos difference. Now, if you're needing more power para sa kanyang workload, I would highly suggest you get the i5 na variant. So guys, I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito on our full review nitong Infinix INbook X2 Plus. So don't forget to share this video sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak na naghanap ng laptop for schooling, for work from home purpose. Okay na okay siya. Of course, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. Just simply check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.